জীবন যখন শুকায় যায় করুণা ধারায় এসো সকল মাধুরী লুকায় যায় গীত সুধারসে এসো. See, my pronunciation won't be so good, but you'll understand, of course. All the bongs will understand. At the beginning of the pandemic, life was so dry and listless and colorless for us. We didn't know what to do. But it was our art that brought back the color into our lives. কর্ম যখন প্রবল আকার গর্জে উঠিয়ে ঢাকে চারিধার হৃদয়ে প্রান্তে এ জীবননাথ শান্তে চরণে এসো. When loads and tons of work came screeching at us, what was it that helped us? Think about this work not as burden. It was our art, our music, our dance that helped us. And well, in mundane language I can say, well, our online classes and all these online performances that are happening, they take us away from all this burden of load of work that we have. Aponer jobe, 1 minute. আপনার এই যোগে করিয়া কৃপেন কোনি পড়ে থাকে দিনহীন মন দুয়ার খোলিয়ে হে উদারনাথ রাজ সমারোহে এসো. In today's situation, many have gone into depression. Many have built a cocoon around themselves because they don't know what to do, how to react, what to do. What has helped to break that cocoon? To break open and come out with our hearts and minds, our art, our music, our dance, our films, our theatre, our paintings. There's so much that we have that has brought us out from depression, from being a cocoon. This is how I look at Tagore's words today, in today's situation. But the poet, for him, he gives us an eternal meaning. He tells us that look within. The Almighty is within you. The spiritual is within you. The solution for everything is within you. Look for it. He further says, বাসনা যখন বিপুল ধুলায় অন্ধ করিয়ে অবোধে ভুলায় ওহে পবিত্র ওহে অনিদ্র রুদ্র আলোকে এসো. Greed and lust are like a dust storm that blind us. Our senses are no more in control. O Almighty, the spiritual being that is inside us, burst forth with a raging power and ruthlessly get us all out of this mess. I thank Rishi Samajdar for the beautiful vocals, Rohan Dhale for the rhythmic mardal, Niranjan Sinha for the melodious flute, and Shaina Anand for the video shoot. In the presentation, I have used the actual English translation that Tagore himself has done of his own poem. Thank you.